We'll see how to join Param Airdrop. There too will provide you a massive amount of airdrop, massive amount of reward. Just how to you join, I will show you in this little video. So keep in mind, if you wanna join, I will put this link on the comment, and you come into here through that link. So check out comment box after finishing this video watching. Okay, so first thing first, click copy on and paste your extension browser, and after that I will show you number one, create account, click three dot option and earn point. So I will go through my extension browser, how do you join everything put together. So I come into on extension browser, Kiwi people called that browser, and I will paste that link on here. So I exactly that thing copy. Okay, I don't wanna use this browser because this browser has some problem, so unfortunately I will use second one. So here you go, click on that search bar and paste your link here, or you can directly click on link on Telegram and you can directly come through any browser. So I will just show you how it's pretty straightforward way. Just paste here and it is walk through you in their website, Param website. So how do you create? Click on this email button. So page is loading still now, so therefore it's happening. So welcome back to Param network. You have an account, therefore click on sign up, put your email here. Putting my one. So exactly same way you will do by your information. Okay, I will pause here. Now you need to put a password that I post and click on sign up button, and after click sign up button in your browser it will be gone. So verify your email, so therefore you need to go into Gmail, apps or website, whatever you are using. Go your Gmail exactly that you put on there that Gmail. So I'm checking which Gmail is logged into my Gmail apps. So I used this one, and if I refresh again, a lot of like spammy service come into this Gmail email. So click on there and they put you a link, or you can just take this code 205828. so go here and put your hello. Okay. 205828. So that is loading pretty much. Okay, so your verification done. Now you need to do login. Okay, exactly same password put here, same password and email that you did correct, and password same password you need to put here. So login, click on there, and after click there, that has been done. Okay, so it is still login. I will suggest you sign in with Twitter. Click on there, and that will bring into Twitter authentication, like authorize to you that it will be connected this website or not. You are owner of your Twitter, therefore it's need authorize app. Click on there, and it will be done connected with that website, Param website. Okay, nothing fancy. Param, the future of gaming at your fingerprints. So now click on this upper right button, three dot option that I mentioned on Telegram. So now you will, if you notice that my left side on left side of this screen, so you will see here couple of option. Click on earn point option. Okay, and after click on earn point option, you will see certain type of task. Click on this task. So execute mean done. So doing done, go through their Twitter and what they want to do to you, exactly same thing to do. Okay, I will suggest you, and every task do properly, especially Twitter task. I will suggest you to doing it's prioritized because your Twitter is connected with their website, nothing connected, just Twitter. I will suggest you just do Twitter, and after those tasks, other reels like that will be maybe automatically done, that I did once a time. So it's my second account that I'm just showing you. Click on this execute button. Okay, sorry, not execute, collect reward, that button. Task climbed successfully, so your point is added here. I already show you 150 point. So now your first task is done. If I click on there, okay, if I click on there, okay, if I go back again here, if I collect reward, oh, that is automatically done. It doesn't make sense to me. So do this every task good way. Okay, execute. I will suggest you, especially Twitter task, do properly. Okay, so Twitter task I will suggest you to doing properly, just Twitter task, because your Twitter is connected with their website. So total task 15, you can do that pretty much same thing, just do execute. Every task is Twitter task. So I will suggest you doing properly, because they will, if they will check, if they give something to their audience valuable over $1,000, they definitely will check, because they will not give fake people this thing. Okay, so do same way, execute, and properly doing task, people get something from every airdrop. So collect reward, click on there, task climb successfully, your point is added there, execute, collect, execute, go task and do collect. You need to do properly. I did my other account. I'm just showing you how do you do that. Just go there. For time shortening, I cannot show you every task to go through how to do that. You can do that because it's a Twitter task, and you can do that. Every task is Twitter. Every task is treat your task. So do properly. I'm just showing you. It's this account will not be eligible because I don't do that properly. Okay, I just doing back and collect reward. Okay, number 15. Collect reward. Your point now 3,650. Okay, so your work is done here. Nothing need. So just eat. After, if I get any update, I will know you. Connect your wallet while they will give something, and if their point will, when their param token will list it, at that time your point will be move into param token, and after that they will give you a climb option, and you will can climb that thing. So do fast, go through comment box and come into Telegram and do properly. That way I show you. Don't do this way. Task do properly. Okay, do execute it properly, because they will maybe verify you that you did or didn't. Okay, so see you later in the next time.